I'm Alex. I do tool reviews, tips, and how-to videos. What we're looking at today is a row home where one neighbor had a newer roof put on and they put a saddle strip, or they divorced the two roofs. What we're looking at is the material never adhered or it broke loose throughout the years. So what we do is we lift up the material, we smear a couple inches of tar under there. We have to fasten this down. Normally I don't like penetrating a roof with nails. But while we do that, we sandwich the tar under there and that seals that off. I take my trowel, I put an even coat over the edge, enough to get this membrane, which is this mesh. You want to trowel it enough where that tar penetrates through the mesh. But not too much. Don't be sloppy. You don't want ridges. You want the membrane to work. You don't want it to buck the water. What I'm using is more like a drywall knife than a traditional roofing or, torch down trowel. I think it's smooth, it's flexible, it seems to work on spreading the tar. Tar's like a band-aid. It doesn't last very long. If you're lucky, you'll get 2 to 3 years out of it, and you either have to reapply it or, budget your money to do a new roof. After you're done, what you're saying is me putting a skim coat over top of everything. Tar dries out with sun and heat. Ideally, you would want to coat this afterwards with a silver coat or any UV protectant to keep the sun off of it. I was called out to do a temporary patch because of a leak in a bathroom. I came up, to my surprise, this is what I found. Normally I would put rubber over this and attempt to torch down it and make a more permanent solution. But my boss said, if you find something up there, tar it. He pays well every Friday. So, Monday through Friday, I have to do what the boss says. Have a good one. I hope you learned something. This is helpful in case you run into an emergency.